Last week there were heavy rains at Tesla Giga Texas in Austin area, and because of those rains the construction of Giga Texas Gigafactory was somehow slowed down. But this week things are improving and catching up. In this report we're going to tell you what has improved and what has changed at Giga Texas, thanks to our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, who has sent and shared this video with our Torque News subscribers and friends. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you would like to receive daily Tesla news, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, sending this report from today, September 8th, says the Labor Day holiday is now over and recent rains and heavy clouds have slowed but not stopped progress at Giga Texas, Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin. However, these rains are back people are back at work in force today, although there is more rain in the forecast. In this video, Joe says we're also taking a look at a phase 1 size comparison between Giga Berlin and Giga Texas, as well as consider building sizes based on approximate dimensions. This is going to be very interesting to see the comparison between Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. Joe says the foundation work shows two distinct and different size buildings with angled corners and a large center roadway with access to what appears will be loading docks to serve both buildings. There also appears to be roadways beginning to form around the perimeter of the two buildings, suggesting more strongly what this part of the site will look like when vertical construction begins at Giga Texas. The heavy rain just caused some erosion around the site, especially in the south near in the remains of the ponds, but much of this is due to be finished earth moving work and loose field dirt. Now they began repairing this and continued to bring in field dirt to fill it. In other areas, land clearing and pond draining on the east side of the construction site has resumed despite the rains in the past 48 hours or so. They are beginning to remove the last of the trees and shrubs and should soon begin fill and leveling operations. Geopier foundation reinforcement continues on the south of the east foundation despite the slowdown and the muddy construction site. Well, friends, let's take a look what Joe has for us in this video. In the meantime, let's thank him with our appreciation. Let's like this video, please, to show our appreciation of Joe's work. And in the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Let's continue watching and commenting your opinions on the comparison between Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. And I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you. Take good care of each other, and peace be with all of you.